God's love never fails. When I was lost and far away, your love still reached me where I lay. Through darkest nights and troubled days, your faithful love still found a way. Every morning when I rise, your mercy lifts me to my feet. When fear and doubt fill up my mind, your endless love makes me complete. God's love never fails, His love never ends. God's love never fails, it heals me within. Through storms and winds, through trials and pain, God's love never fails, forever the same. God's love never fails, forever the same. In my weakness, you are strong. Your love carries me through it all. When I fall short and lose my way, your grace restores me when I call.